Hi everyone, Lisa here from Down to Earth Gardening and Design. I have a video for you today on fragrant perennials for your garden. So thanks for joining me. I love doing these videos, and this one here is not only a beautiful one, but a fragrant one. So I love using hardy perennials in the garden that not only look beautiful, but smell beautiful. So I have a few here that I planted last year. This is my own front yard, and I've been developing these gardens. I have my boulder wall project you may have seen for a couple years now, and I have a seating area right in front of us here with some really comfy Adirondack chairs. So I planted a mix of perennials, and I'm going to share the lineup with you today. But I want to talk a little bit about where to use your fragrant perennials. So of course I think they would be beautiful anywhere, but a great spot is a walkway. So when you're walking to the front door or walking through your garden, they're lined with a mix of fragrant flowers that you can smell and enjoy as you walk to the door or through your garden. Or plant them by your window. So an office window, a kitchen window, so a window that you like to open and get a nice breeze in, and you can bring the outside in with your fragrant flowers. And of course, you don't want to forget your front door. So it's really lovely to have something smelling nice right by the front door. Last but not least, an outdoor patio or seating area, which is what I have here. So I picked things that are a little bit taller here for this area. And so we're talking anywhere from 3 feet to 2 feet here in front of me. And I have this patio area. It's not quite a patio yet. I'm going to be developing, and there's going to be more on that. But we like to come and sit out here in the evening, and it just smells so lovely. So I'm going to show you each and every one of these out here, give you a better look, and tell you a little more about them. Number one is an oriental lily called Stargazer. Now this beauty gets to be about 3 to 4 feet tall, so it's great for under a window or in the back of the garden, but it is breathtaking and such a pleasing fragrance. Number two, we have a phlox, and it's an upright phlox. It gets to be about 18 to 24 inches tall, and it's called Coral Cream. Beautiful coral blooms with a rosy eye. Number three is a echinacea. It's called Fragrant Angel. It gets to be about 30 inches tall, and I am so glad to see a coneflower out there that has a fragrance. It was the one thing that was missing. And number four is Agastache, and this is Blue Fortune. I do have this in my seating area, but I wanted to show you how pretty it can be as a mass planting. So that is it for what I have in my seating area, and I'm going to show you a few more options that I do have in my yard and I really enjoy as fragrant perennial plants. Okay, so the sun's going down, and I'm going to wrap up my garden tasks for the day, and I'm going to sit out in these chairs and enjoy the garden. As I always say, gardens are to be enjoyed, so make sure you take some time to enjoy your gardens and all of your hard work. So thank you all so much for joining me. I love doing these videos for you, and if you like this one, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and join our channel. Subscribe for lots more gardening fun.